Today, you will learn how to get rid of section breaks in Word step by step. Before you can remove a section break, you need to make it visible. Go to the Home tab, look for the Show Hide button, which looks like a paragraph symbol. Click this button, and Word will display hidden formatting marks throughout the document. Once these marks are visible, you will be able to see section breaks clearly. Now, scroll through your document and find the section break that you want to remove. Place your mouse cursor directly before the section break and press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can also place the cursor directly after the section break and press Backspace. As soon as the section break is deleted, the sections will merge together. If your document contains multiple section breaks and you want to remove them all at once, start by pressing Ctrl-H on your keyboard to open the Find and Replace window. Click the More button if you see it, then click Special at the bottom. From the list, choose Section Break. Word will automatically insert the special code for section breaks into the Find What box. Leave the Replace With box completely empty because we want to remove the section breaks rather than replace them with something else. Now click Replace All, and Word will instantly delete every section break in the document. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.